What's up, everyone? This is Henry here, and thanks for tuning in. Before I get into the video, make sure you smack that like button, subscribe if you're new, click that notification bell, check out my description below where you find my social medias and my store. Alright, things that your family should know about: gold and silver, or platinum and palladium, in case you end up passing away or going to the hospital and bills are short and no one has any money. Okay. This video will be obviously for my family to watch and for you to take notes on, for you can put it in um your notebook. In the notebook in your stack, or send a link or put the link in. Or, it doesn't matter, guys. Okay. Number one, you want to tell them to not go to pawn shops. Pawn shops look for desperate people, and they will rip you off. For the most part, most pawn shops are like this, guys, but some of them aren't. They'll be fair with you when it comes to pricing. And also, some coin shops can do it too, can rip you off too if you're very ignorant about precious metals. Like, for instance, you want to tell them what spot price is, and you want to tell them about premiums. Spot price of silver is 20 bucks, and some pawn shops will rip you off big time and offer you 10 bucks. And a lot of people who's desperate and don't know nothing, they would take that and they would massively get ripped off. And also, about the premiums, there's a difference between coins, rounds, and constitutional, aka junk silver. Junk silver has a massive premium. It's basically junk silver is basically 90% silver from 1964 and older. You got half dollars, quarters, and dimes. And I think there's some buffaloes, but we're going to focus on just those three. Buffalo nickels, I'm sorry. It's September 19th, 2022. Most constitutional silver is going for 20 times face. So you do, for a 50-cent piece, you do 50 cent, 0.5, 50 times 20, and you'll get your price there. Same for, the quarter and dimes. And that's what it's going for as of now, guys. And then with coins. Coins and rounds are different. Coins are government minted. Rounds aren't. Rounds are private mints, bullions. And they also have a premium, but not as much as a government minted coin. So you can do your own research on those particular coins on like eBay or other YouTube channels. And also, you got semi-numismatic coins or full-fledged numismatic coins or rounds. If I'm butchering it, sue me. So a example for a semi-numismatic coin can be a Libertad, a Mexican Libertad. Those are going for way more than what the spot price of silver. Those are going for about 50 bucks. And also Chinese pandas. Those are going for a lot of money too. And American silver eagles are going for a lot as well. Those are basically semi-numismatic coins as well. And also this semi-numismatic rounds as well, guys. And I do have a few of each in my stack, and I will specifically tell them which is which and how much you can potentially get out of that particular round of coin. So you guys should do that as well. If you guys got a lot of it, you guys got a lot to do. But let's see here. Let's see what else I can. Oh yeah, you got fractional silver as well. Those carry a high premium, and honestly, I don't recommend anyone to be stacking it heavily. You can stack some of it, but like I said, you're gonna be losing a few bucks, probably five to $7 because of the premium. I won't say 5 to 7. How much I pay for that buffalo? It's about $5 bucks. because of, you know, this is a high premium or fractional silver. Same thing with fractional gold. Gold itself have a very high premium, and this is where the pawn shops will really rip you off. If you don't know what the spot price of gold is right now, guys, it's about 1,690 bucks, give or take. I didn't really look today. A pawn shop will literally offer you like $1,000 for it. They can get very slick, very slick. I mentioned pawn shop heavily because that's where most people go to get quick money if they got a loved one that passed away. Most of you guys, you know, your family will be looking at pawn shops if they need the money quick, and if it's precious metals, that would be the first thing that they will go and look at. That's why you need put it in your notes for they can read it and for they can know that no, you need to go to a coin shop to liquidate coins, and you need to know what's what, how much what costs, what spot price is, and make sure you don't look desperate and get the best bang for your buck. So, guys, I know it can be a little touchy subject. If I missed a few things, make sure you let me know in the comments below. Probably did, but I'll try my best to go slow for you guys, so you can write it down in y'all's notes. Let's see here. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, off topic, as you see here, I got channel stickers, finally. So once I start doing auctions, which I will be doing auctions soon, once I get enough weights, aka silver and gold, I will be including a channel sticker for you guys, wherever you guys bid or bin on, because I will be having bin sections, you know, or bid sections. I'll explain all that to you guys if you guys are interested in coming to one of my auctions. And yeah, so guys, hope you guys got some good information out of this video. If you did, again, smack that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'm not gonna keep on ranting about this. You know, guys, the spot prices of these precious metals are low. Buy the dip now. And also, they're not promoting me. What's that sticker? Check out stickermule.com right here. Check them out. They're the ones I made my channel stickers. I got more obviously than that. And let's see here. Other than that, hope you guys stay safe. Be aware of your surroundings. Carry a gun. Get prepared. And start stacking. And as always, have a nice day. Take it easy, y'all.